In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove items from your cart on eBay. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or simply added something to your cart by mistake, knowing how to manage your shopping cart effectively can be quite handy. Let's dive right into the simple steps that will help you keep your virtual shopping cart organized. First things first, you need to log into your eBay account. This is quite straightforward. Simply head over to the eBay website and enter your credentials, your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your personal account dashboard where you can see all your current activities, including the items in your cart. After logging in, the next step is to navigate to your eBay cart. You can find the cart icon at the top right corner of your screen, typically next to the search bar. Clicking on this icon will take you to a page displaying all the items you've added to your cart. This cart page provides a comprehensive view where you can review your selections and make decisions on what to keep or remove. Now, with your cart open, it's time to locate the specific item you want to remove. Browse through the list of items in your cart until you find the one that you no longer wish to purchase. It's essential to double check that you're removing the correct item to avoid any mix-up or the need to re-add things you wanted to keep. Once you've identified the item for removal, the next step is to click the remove option situated right under the item. This button is usually easy to spot as it is placed directly under the item details within your cart. Clicking it signals to eBay that you want to remove the selected product from your cart. In some instances, you may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the item. This extra step ensures you've had a moment to reconsider before the final action is taken. If prompted, simply confirm your choice and just like that, the item will disappear from your cart. This process helps to swiftly clean up your cart and manage any unwanted items effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully managed to remove an item from your eBay cart. Keeping your cart organized not only helps you manage your purchases better, but also prevents any surprise expenses. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident enough to adjust your eBay cart whenever the need arises. Happy shopping!